What if a printing machine could handle two processes at once? Let's find out with this DTG 4050II. Dual station design. Smart dual workstation. Epson's latest i3200 printhead. It delivers precise detail reproduction. Auto-adjustable platform effortlessly accommodate fabrics of varying thicknesses. The unique ink circulation system continuously agitates the ink to prevent sedimentation and nozzle clogging. The system triggers instant alerts for low ink levels or excessive waste ink accumulation to prevent operational interruptions. Soft hand feel with no color cracking, delivering ultra-soft, skin-friendly tees with breathable fabric integrity. Vibrant, photorealistic colors with excellent wash fastness. With user-friendly printing software, printing t-shirts is quick and hassle-free, no experience needed. Whether you're a small shop doing custom work or a growing factory scaling up production, the DTG 4050II delivers. The system delivers maximum performance in minimal space.